Fuzz Bunny. Captain Iron.
Hey.
I'm Captain Iron Face.
What the heck? What the heck is going on here? It's just weird. People killing each other. Bats out there. Alright, now they're going over here. Oh my god! What the f- oh, Jesus! Oh my god! An Iron Face Man and a Fuzz Bunny?
Oh no!
What the heck is going on here? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jeez! What the frig is going on? Oh, why did... You're scaring me! What the frig is your problem?